Hi, welcome to the course OpenAPI Specification for Software Developers. This course is a guide to learning OpenAPI Specification, formerly Swagger Specification, for highly productive API design, documentation, development and testing. I am Praveen Kumar Bhavna, shortly Praveen from CodeWithPraveen.com, your instructor for this course. I have 15 plus years of experience in software development in C#.NET. I have worked in various MNCs developing enterprise applications related to security surveillance, access control, and other automation control systems. In this course, you will gain significant knowledge of understanding and applying OpenAPI. You will be taken through a step-by-step process to know each section of it. We will look at various parts of OpenAPI by building an API for a college management system. We will add common operations such as get, post, put, delete for courses and student resources. Some of the topics you learn include an overview of OpenAPI and its benefits, understanding the structure of the OpenAPI specification, step-by-step instructions for creating an OpenAPI document, downloadable mind map that clearly shows the structure of each OpenAPI element, the difference between Swagger and OpenAPI, practice assignments to apply your learning, and so on. At the end of this course, you will know the structure of an OpenAPI specification and the steps to create one from scratch. You will be able to understand any OpenAPI specification document. I designed this course for software programmers, beginner or experienced who work with APIs. You can be consuming APIs or implementing your web services. This course will provide you with a strong foundation for understanding and using OpenAPI specification standards. As a prerequisite, I expect you to have a basic knowledge of RESTful web services to understand the different components of an HTTP request. Also, basic knowledge of JSON will be helpful. Enroll now to get started.